everybody, welcome to our country as well as our exhibition. I hope for you a good stay. My name is Mervat. I'll be local guide for a few minutes. I'm gonna show you how you make the papyrus paper from the papyrus plant. But firstly, I'd like to give you just simple idea about the papyrus plant. This plant is a tropical and watery, that's why it's growing up in river Nile banks of Upper Egypt. And it was very holy plant for two reasons. Firstly, it's a flower, looks like the sun rays, which was symbol of Amun-Ra, symbol of the sun rays. And secondly, it's a stem. It takes very holy form as well, triangular, like the shape of pyramids, which was symbol of eternal life. We are making the paper from the stem. We cut it to parts as the size the paper requires. For example, this one for the smallest paper. After that, remove the green reeds from the three sides because we are making the paper from the inner part. Okay, and then we cut the inner part, the slices, very thin slices in this way. But you find it breakable because it has inside it a lot of air and water, make it very fragile as fiber. Also, it has very little sugar, just 5%, but it's not sweet plant, that's why it's not for eating. But that's too much for making the paper, so I have to decrease the sugar from them by this rolling pin in this way. And now you'll find it's stronger than before and very flexible. Okay, big difference between this one and this one. Okay. And then we put them in plain water for 3 days, but we have to change the water every day. After 3 days, you'll find it in darker color and very sticky in touch because the rest of the sugar mixed with the water and change it into sticky gelatin inside the fibers of the slices. After that, we bring 2 sheets of linen, like those, okay? And we arrange the slices between them. You put the first side in horizontal lines, overlapping position. Must be all the slices in the same size and the same colors exactly. After you finish this side in this way, you put the second side in vertical lines and also in overlapping position. And now to squeeze the water out, we use the same rolling pin again in this way. So see, will be like this example just for show. See, okay. After that, we cover them to put them under something very heavy. And the first time they used to the huge rocks, but now used to the presses like the smallest one here. We keep them for another 3 days and change the linen every 6 hours to avoid any kind of bacteria. After 3 days, you'll find them completely dry and the slice sticks together by the little sticky gelatin which inside the fibers of the slices and becomes papyrus paper like this sheet, which is very, you didn't say wow. Wow. It's amazing paper, you can see it's very strong.
We are speechless.
See, the slice is very clear for you. This side in horizontal lines, right? And this side in vertical lines. Okay?
Will we touch it?
Sure, feel it. You can see it. It's very smooth in touch, very flexible, very thin from the press. After that, we send it for our painters. They are very professional to draw it in different kind of colors. Some did by oil colors, some others did by watercolors or airbrush, whatever colors. Anyway, it absorbs the colors and makes them stay forever because it's made from water slices like the sponge. Here our scenes reproduction from the masterpieces, the same quality and the same model, that's why each one telling something. Let me show you the first important scenes. I think you saw some of them before, show for Judgment Day, like the final judgment, you know the story?
Which we have seen, we have talking about this one.
Weighing the heart and the feather?
Yes, the heart and the feather here.
Yes.
And this is the famous scene.
Of course, you know, they used to believe in the second life after the first life. Between them, there is a final judgment to make a decision about any person where he will start the second life. In the paradise here or in the hell. You see just imaginations about what's happened during the final judgment. For example, it's starting from here. The resurrected person presents some offering for the 14 judges and he is swearing for them that he didn't make any big sense. Half believed him and half didn't believe. That's why they sent him to the jockey here and will be a symbol of mummification in medicine. But weighing his heart here is the scales of justice against the feather of justice. If the heart is heavier than the feather, that means his heart full of sins, he was guilty. The new life will be in the hell and his heart eaten by this animal. What if the heart, Yeah, Aman, symbol of punishment.
Yes, because I told him if you don't listen to me,
Hey, take care about your heart. Take care. If the heart is lighter, then the Vietnamese was innocent person, the new life will be here in their paradise by the helping stock symbol of wisdom and Horus symbol of protection. See the second important one? The first calendar in our history, which represents 5 things in one scene, as the 4 direction, north, south, east and west. The 4 seasons, summer, winter, autumn, spring. They are 12 persons like the 12 months in the year, and it has 24 as the 24 hours in the day. Inside circle here, all the zodiac signs, the star signs. We have them separately here, besides the oval form, which called cartouche. See this sign. In the first time, only kings and queens used to write their names inside it because it was symbol eternal life. It has no beginning and no end. But now you have the chance, we can put your name inside it from up to down in hieroglyphic writing. Just 2 minutes will be ready. You'll pay extra for that, €2 for each name. You'll find each 2 different numbers. NO the model number, L is the price rate in Egyptian pounds, but here you can pay any kind of money or credit cards. The exchange rate today for euro divided by 7.4, for dollars divided by 5.25. To make order, just keep the order card with you, write the model number, the quantity. After you finish, find me or my colleagues around you here. After you finish, return here, we have downstairs some others. This way.